Kim Chu hindi napigilan ng emosyon sa ginawang pag-surprise sa kanya ng mga pamangkin. Hindi nga napigilan ni Kim Chu ang maging emosyonal sa ginawang pag-surprise sa kanya ng kanyang mga pamangkin, kung saan ay talagang nag-ipon nga ang mga pamangkin ni Kim para ito ay surpresahin. Ayon sa mga pamangkin nito, ay palagi na lang si Kim ang nagsusurprise sa kanila kaya gusto nila na siya naman ang i-treat nito. Dagdag pa ng mga ito ay last January pa sila nag-iipon galing sa kanilang mga baon para sa kanilang tita.
So we took our school baon and we saved para we can pay for
yes! I'm gonna cry now! Oh, it's so cute!
To like lunch or dinner, and we want to be the ones treating her out naman on her birthday. The way I saved was like, I didn't eat snacks like since January pa to prepare for Mama Kim's birthday. So like here, puro savings namin from school.
Ayon din sa mga pamangkin ni Kim ay way nila ito para mapakita ang kanilang pagpapasalamat.
Tanong talaga siya sa akin, when is your free day? We're supposed to surprise you. Pero you're always busy. Ito na yung pinaka-sweetest na nangyari sa buong buhay ko talaga.
We're treating Mama Kim because she's done a lot for us. Like since bata pa kami, she's been there talaga for us. She also pays for a lot of stuff like for example school. Kami kasi she really wants to spend time with us and then she sets time to spend time.
We want to make Mama Kim happy. We want to give her happiness too in her life, like what she did to us, and to support her in her life all the time, like how she supported us for making us happy in all of our birthdays, and we want to do that as well.
First of all, we want to say thank you for everything. Ayoko na.
Happy birthday, Mama Kim! We hope you like our...
Love you.